Hello everyone, welcome to Math 120 Online. I wanted to show you do a little tour here of our screen of our course. They've updated it, changed a little bit. Hopefully it's more functional like this. So you have this one column over here that's going to always have these things on there: the account, dashboard, courses, calendar, inbox, and so on. That used to be more across the top. And then this column is here. This has the different features. So here we have the main page, the logo, and Quality Matters, the design course. Math 120 syllabus can be found there. It can also be found on the syllabus link. A little video about myself, telling you who I am. Syllabus review, Canvas tours, what we're doing now. Course objectives can be found there. What I'm not thrilled about is just stuff over here that you have to come down to the bottom and move this over now. So you have where to find content and assignments, so that's going to be inside of My Math Lab. Required versus optional work. So I often get questions about what do we have to do, and well, you have to do your midterm, final exam, homework, and quizzes. There's something called like study guide in a study plan in My Math Lab. You don't have to do it. Practice midterm, don't have to do it. Practice final, don't have to do it. Okay. Oh, you have to do the quizzes too. I don't know if I said that, but what else was over there that's kind of hidden now? We have help me. So the big thing is don't panic. I guess if you put things off till like 5 minutes before everything is due, maybe panic, but that's kind of on you. Assessment response time, usually like 48 hours, and not including weekends or holidays. Participation discussion postings, this describes it here. You must do 10 postings. Okay, and that's in the discussion boards right there. You can answer or ask questions, and here are some rules: being polite. And I really haven't had a problem with people being rude on this. It's everyone seems to be pretty professional. So there you go. Your discussions would be in here. Let's see here. I'm not the first one to do a discussion posting. Watch this. I'm going to say, just do one about myself. Hi, everyone. My name is Jeff Downs, and I am your instructor. I am really looking forward to this class, because I am. Okay. I like to camp, hike, mountain bike, and ski. Hey, how's that? And you could say more than that if you want to. You could say less than that. I can go on forever because I could write a book about myself, but I'm not going to. Okay, so that's how simple it is to do a posting. And I just did one. If I was a student, that's 10 points of my 100 points for postings. So do your postings. That's the part that most people get a big shock at the end of the semester when they haven't done any postings and their grade drops by 1 or 1.5 grades. It's really painful. I've had people go from a low A to a C, and they're just angry. I'm like, what can I do? I've asked you to do your postings, but you didn't do it. Okay, and look at this, kind of cool. No, still the same column. I thought there was all the discussion postings. Okay, you can find your grades there. I can't click on it because it's going to reveal people's grades. Quizzes can be found there or within the modules. Let me go back up to home. If you go to modules here, you'll see our modules. So chapter 11. So this first set of stuff, this is just standard information about how to use Canvas. Then you get to chapter 11, consumer math, and you have 11.1, and in 11.1 you're going to have a video I've made, a full lesson, and then notes. I have blank notes that I'm using on the board there, and I have completed notes of what I've done. And you have videos by other people on the same topic. Now, after you've completed the modules, gone through the modules needed for the quiz will show up. So after modules 11 or 11.1, 11.2, 11.3, you get your quiz 1. This describes what's on quiz 1, and there's your quiz 1. Then you have 11.4 and 11.5, and then you have quiz 2, then 11.6, and then into chapter 12. And there's your quiz 3, and so on. And then after chapter 12, we have a midterm. There's a practice midterm here. This spaces here just gives me a place to record a grade in the grade book. And the midterm is taken in Canvas, in MyMathLab, though. And then you have chapter 13, and then chapter 3, and then we have a final. So this is just recordings of old meetings I've had with students, and if that's helpful or not, I don't know. Okay, well, I hope that kind of explains what you're doing in Canvas. If you have any questions, let me know.